Where do you turn when high street lenders are reluctant to lend within your sector?
Anyone looking to raise money in this space at a significant level should generate a range of options, not just from a provider of one product, but actually other different ways to do this. And let's evaluate the options. So, what do we mean by that? We're talking about the high street banks. And the thing with the high street banks is that we know that from a regulatory perspective, whether it's just kind of on lending and capital or on operational assets, whether it's on reputation, that their appetite is becoming more and more conservative. And that means that they're not able to support a lot of the growing businesses. They will tell you different, but that's the reality. And I've witnessed it over 10 years at least, if not more. So what you have alongside that is the whole host of challenger banks who do the same thing as the bank, but take a little bit more risk, charge a little bit more money. So the margin will be a bit more, but you're taking a higher risk. Presumably that's because you're growing your business. So if you can generate in capital value for yourself, the extra cost might well be worth doing. So they're the two that most people will be aware of. I did mention earlier on about debt funds as well, who have built up businesses, began a lot of it by backing leveraged buyouts with private equity, where the banks were moving away from providing debt for those because they felt it a little bit. It was cash flow based, it was riskier. So a lot of debt funds arrived. There's lots of them in the UK providing. And that's kind of moved on to private credit and funds that will look at general corporate transactions from a debt fund perspective. And they have less regulatory capital burdens on them. So they're able to be a bit more flexible in structure, a bit more aggressive with their appetite. They will charge a bit for it. But again, if you can use that to grow your business, then that might well work. And then it's looking at things like asset finance, invoice finance, stock finance, sale finance. There's lots of different products for different growing companies. So there's lots of different sources out there. As I said, lots of different price points. But look at the overall development of your business, what value you can create for it.